SBA Publications.
Hello, dear students. How are you all? I hope you are doing very well at your homes. I am Vedika and I'm here with another chapter of literature for you people. It is our chapter number 12, which basically is a poem, and its name is Dreams. So, by the name, it sounds very nice and cozy. So, let us start with the reading and see what are the dreams of this poet. Beyond the mountain line, the grey stone and the boulder, beyond the growth of dark green pine that crowns its western shoulder, there lies that fairy land of mine, unseen of a beholder. Its fruits are all like rubies rare, its streams are clear as glasses, their golden castles hang in the air, and purple grapes in masses, and noble knights and ladies fair come riding down the passes. So, this poem is divided into two stanzas, and this is about a dreamland, or we can say a fairyland, the way the poet is calling it. Let us read again with the meaning also. Beyond the mountain line, the grey stone and the boulder. So, the poet is telling that beyond, that means out of this line, pare उस चीज से. Beyond the mountain lines, that means mountain se bhi pare, the grey stone and the boulder. Grey stone is basically type of a mountain stone. Mountains are usually grey, or if there is a lot of greenery, it will be green, or if there is snow, it will be white. So, beyond the grey stone and the boulder, boulder is basically a huge stone. Okay. Beyond the growth of dark green pine that crowns its western shoulder. Pine is a kind of a tree. So, the poet is saying that beyond its dark green growth, that means beyond that pine also that crowns its western shoulder, that means that covers up its western area. There lies that fairy land of mine, unseen of a beholder. So the poet is saying that beyond this nature, which is also very beautiful, beyond that there is also a very beautiful place, that is the fairy land of mine. That is his fairy land that is unseen of a beholder. That means किसी भी देखने वाले ने उस जगह को नहीं देखा है. That means a person who sees is a beholder. So a person who is able to see this beauty, he himself has not seen that beautiful fairyland of mine. Its fruits are all like rubies rare. Its streams are clear as glasses. So the fruits of his dreamland are rare like rubies. That means no fruits can be seen on the earth like that. And its streams are clear as glasses. That means the water that runs there is as clear as glass. The golden castle hang in the air. So there is a castle that is not on the land but it's on the air. And purple grapes in masses, and there are a lot of purple grapes there. And noble knights and ladies fair come riding down the passes, and there are some noble knights and beautiful fair ladies who come down through the passes. That means it is a very beautiful land of my dreams where nobody can go because nobody has seen it, and there are a lot of beautiful things. There are fruits that are very rare, just like rubies. Rubies are a very rare kind of a stone, we can say, or a diamond. And the water there is very clear, just like glass. There is a golden castle that lies in the air, that is hanging in the air, and there are purple grapes in masses in a huge quantity. And there are knights and beautiful ladies that walk there. So that means the poet is trying to describe a land of his dreams. So that's it for the poem. I hope it was very interesting and maybe it matched some kind of your dreams also. Let us read the vocabulary now. Beyond. Beyond means on the other side. On the other side of. Alright. Crowns means that covers the top. The pine that crowns. So the pine that crowns the mountain that the poet is talking about in the first stanza. Boulder. Boulder means a very large rock. So boulder again we can call the mountain itself also. Beholder is the person who looks. देखने वाला. The person who looks. That was a poem and the vocabulary. Now we have this exercise given and I hope you will be able to do it very well. You can find the rhyming words and the meanings of some words and the rhyming scheme of the poem as well. So that was it. And there is some grammar part also. I hope you will be able to do it nicely. So that's it for today. I will see you in the next video with another interesting chapter. Till then, keep on learning. Bye bye.